In today's video, we'll be ranking every VPN that we covered in a tier list. Tier lists are a great way to visually see which VPNs stand out as the best and which ones fall short. In this video, we'll be ranking ExpressVPN, NordVPN, Surfshark, UltraVPN, and PureVPN. Plus, we'll also take a look at some lower tiered free VPNs as well. Stick around until the end to see where our favorite VPN lands on the list. So let's go ahead and get started. Explaining the tier list. Before we jump into the rankings, let me quickly explain how our tier list works. So we've got 5 tiers: S, A, B, C, and D. S tier. This is the absolute best VPNs with top-notch performance, features, and security. Then we have the A tier. These are excellent VPNs that are just shy of being the best. B tier. These are good VPNs with some limitations. C tier. These are average VPNs with some noticeable drawbacks. D tier. Below average VPNs with significant issues. Okay, starting with the S tier, we have ExpressVPN and NordVPN. Let's kick things off with the S tier, the best of the best. These VPNs are outstanding in every aspect, offering superb performance, security, and features. First up on our S tier is ExpressVPN. It's famous for its excellent streaming capabilities, robust security features, and an easy-to-use interface. With over 160 server locations in 94 countries, ExpressVPN makes unblocking streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus a breeze. The high-speed servers ensure minimal buffering, so you can stream in HD and even 4K without any issues. ExpressVPN's media streamer service is a standout feature. It lets you access geo-restricted content on devices that don't support VPNs, things like smart TVs and gaming consoles. Media Streamer works as a DNS service, unblocking content without VPN encryption, which can speed things up and reduce latency. For security, ExpressVPN uses AES 256 encryption and has a strict no logs policy, keeping your data safe. It includes advanced features like an automatic kill switch and DNS leak protection, so your browsing history stays private. ExpressVPN's trusted server technology wipes all data with every reboot, running everything on RAM only, so no data is ever written to a hard drive. ExpressVPN also has split tunneling features, so this lets you route some of your device through the VPN while letting the rest access the internet directly, which is a handy feature if you want to stream content from your home country while accessing local services. User interface and ease of use. ExpressVPN is available on all the major platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, Linux, and even on routers. The apps are super user-friendly, making it easy to connect to a server and start streaming within minutes. The clean, intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can navigate the app effortlessly. The app also provides speed test results for each server, helping you choose the fastest one for your needs. This is especially useful for streaming, where a fast and stable connection is essential. Pricing and special offer. ExpressVPN offers several different pricing plans. They have a 12-month plan, a 6-month plan, and a 1-month plan. And all of their plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the service risk-free. Now, if you want to get the absolute best deal with ExpressVPN, we have a link down in the description where you can get 3 extra months free with a 12-month plan. All you need to do to claim that deal is click on the link down in the description next to ExpressVPN. Come here and click on Get ExpressVPN, and at checkout you'll see that if you choose the 12-month plan, you're going to go ahead and get 3 months free, and it's going to come out to $6.67 per month. So again, if you want to get the best price with ExpressVPN, be sure to use the link down in the description. Joining ExpressVPN in the S tier, we have NordVPN. NordVPN is known for its security features and impressive streaming capabilities. NordVPN is a favorite among many users because of that. With over 5,400 servers in more than 59 countries, NordVPN excels at unblocking streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus. The SmartPlay technology automatically connects you to the best server for streaming easily, bypassing any geo restrictions. NordVPN also uses AES 256 encryption and has a strict no logs policy, ensuring that your online activities remain private. The advanced security features such as CyberSec, Double VPN, and Onion over VPN provide additional layers of protection. CyberSec blocks ads and malicious websites, while Double VPN routes your traffic through 2 servers for extra security. Additionally, NordVPN's Onion over VPN servers combine NordVPN's security with anonymity of the Tor network. NordVPN's dark web monitor is another great feature. It continuously scans the dark web for data associated with your email and notifies you of any potential threats, helping you protect your personal information. User interface and ease of use. NordVPN is available on all the major platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, Linux, and more. The apps are super user-friendly and very easy to navigate, making it simple to connect to a server and start browsing. The NordVPN app also lets you choose your server from a world map, which is both visually appealing and functional. The app provides a list of specialty servers like peer-to-peer servers, double VPN servers, and onion over VPN servers, making it easy to find the best server for your needs. NordVPN also offers browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox, providing additional convenience for users who primarily stream content through their web browsers. Speed and performance. NordVPN delivers impressive speeds thanks to its proprietary Nord Linux protocol based on the WireGuard technology. This protocol ensures fast and secure connections, perfect for streaming, gaming, and any other bandwidth-intensive activities. In our tests, NordVPN performed exceptionally well with streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. We could watch content in HD and even 4K without any buffering issues. This makes NordVPN a great choice for streaming fans. Additionally, NordVPN supports peer-to-peer file sharing on specific servers, providing fast and secure download capabilities. Pricing and special offer. So NordVPN has several different plans to choose from, and if you want to get the best pricing possible, we have a link down in the description to do so. So if you click on the link down in the description, it's going to bring you to this page here, and as you can see, you can get up to 4 extra months and 20 gigabytes of eSIM data. So to get this, just go ahead and click on Get the Deal, and if you choose from any of the 2-year plans, whether that's the basic, the standard, or the ultimate plan, you're going to get those 4 extra months plus varying levels of eSIM data depending on which plan you choose. Now, all of NordVPN's plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the service risk-free. Again, for the best value, be sure to use our special link down in the description to get this exclusive NordVPN deal. Next up, we have the A tier, and here we have some excellent VPNs that are just a step below the best. First in our A tier is Surfshark. So we can go ahead and move Surfshark up into the A tier here. So this budget-friendly VPN offers great value without skimping on features or performance. With over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, Surfshark makes it easy to unblock streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and more. The high-speed servers ensure a smooth streaming experience with minimal buffering. Surfshark uses AES 256 GCM encryption and has a strict no-logs policy to keep your data safe. Some of its standout security features include Clean Web, Multi-Hop, and Camouflage Mode. Clean Web blocks ads, trackers, malware, and phishing attempts, giving you a cleaner and safer online experience. Multi-Hop routes your traffic through multiple countries for extra security, making it even harder for anyone to track your activities. Camouflage Mode hides your VPN usage from your ISP so that your internet traffic appears normal. Now, one of the best things about Surfshark is that it supports unlimited simultaneous connections. This makes it a great choice for families or households with multiple devices. The Smart DNS feature lets you unblock content on devices that don't support VPNs, like smart TVs and gaming consoles. So you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies on any device without the hassle. User interface and ease of use. Surfshark is available on all major platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, Linux, and more. And the apps are designed to be extremely user-friendly and easy to navigate, so you can connect to a server and start your browsing immediately. The Surfshark app also has a whitelister feature, which allows you to choose which apps and website bypass the VPN, providing flexibility and optimizing your internet speed. The app also provides real-time server load information, helping you choose the fastest server available. Surfshark's browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox offer additional convenience, allowing you to quickly connect to a VPN server while browsing the web. Speed and performance. Surfshark delivers impressive speeds across its network, making it ideal for streaming, gaming, and other bandwidth-intensive activities. The high-speed servers ensure that you can enjoy your favorite content without any buffering or lag. In our tests, Surfshark performed exceptionally well with streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and Amazon Prime Video. We could watch content in HD and 4K without any issues. Surfshark's ability to unblock multiple Netflix libraries, including the US, UK, Japan, and more, makes it a great choice for travelers and expatriates. Pricing and special offer. Surfshark Surfshark offers some highly competitive pricing, and if you want to get the best price possible and get 3 extra months free, then you're going to want to check out the link down in the description. If you click on the link down in the description, it's going to bring you to this page here where you can go ahead and get started with Surfshark. So just click here on Get Surfshark, and if you choose a 12-month plan or a 24-month plan, you're going to get 3 extra months free. Surfshark is already a cost-effective solution for budget-conscious users, so get the best pricing possible by using the special link down in the description. Now let's move on to the B tier. So the VPN in the B tier is a good VPN, but it does have some limitations that keep it from being at the top. So in the B tier, we have UltraVPN. So we can go ahead and slide UltraVPN up here into the B tier. So this VPN offers a solid set of features and good performance, but it falls short in some areas compared to the top tier VPNs. So UltraVPN has over 830 servers and more than 125 locations, providing good coverage for unblocking streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. The high-speed servers ensure a smooth streaming experience with minimal buffering. UltraVPN uses AES 256 encryption and has a strict no-logs policy, keeping your data safe. It also includes advanced security features like its Hydra protocol and an automatic kill switch. The Hydra protocol is known for its speed and reliability, making it a good choice for streaming and other high-bandwidth activities. UltraVPN also has a built-in malware and phishing protection feature, which blocks malicious websites and ads, further protecting your device from cyber threats. So this is particularly useful for users who frequently browse the internet and want to ensure their online safety. While UltraVPN offers good performance and security, it lacks some of the advanced features found in the top tier VPNs, and its server network is a bit smaller compared to ExpressVPN and NordVPN. Additionally, UltraVPN's pricing, while competitive, doesn't offer the same level of value as Surfshark. User interface and ease of use. UltraVPN is available on various platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. The setup process is quick and easy, making it accessible to those who are new to VPNs. The user interface is clean and straightforward, allowing you to connect to a server with just a few clicks. The app also displays real-time server load information, helping you choose the fastest server available. UltraVPN also offers PassWatch Password Manager, which helps you keep your data secure and manage your passwords safely. This premium feature blocks unauthorized access from hackers, identity thieves, and even curious friends or relatives. Pricing and special offer. So VPN has several different plans to choose from, but to get the best pricing possible, you're going to want to use a link down in the description. When you click on that link, it'll bring you to this page here, where as you can see, you can save over 70% on UltraVPN just by using the link down in the description. From here, just click on Get the Deal, and you'll be able to choose from UltraVPN's 2 different plans, either the regular UltraVPN plan or the UltraVPN Plus plan. Now, both of these plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, providing a risk-free trial period. For the best value, again, be sure to use the link down in the description to save over 70% on UltraVPN. Next, we have the C tier, and whatever falls in the C tier is just average and has some noticeable drawbacks that prevent them from being ranked higher. So in the C tier, we have PureVPN. While it offers a solid set of features and has some good performance, it does have some limitations that hold it back. PureVPN has over 6,500 servers in more than 140 countries, providing excellent coverage for unblocking streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and more. The high-speed servers ensure a smooth streaming experience with minimal buffering. PureVPN uses AES 256 encryption and has a strict no-logs policy, keeping your data safe. It also has advanced security features like malware protection, ad blocking, and enhanced Wi-Fi security. Additionally, PureVPN includes an NAT firewall, which provides an extra layer of protection against hackers and cyber threats. For gamers and businesses, PureVPN's DDoS protection is particularly useful as it helps protect servers from attacks. The kill switch feature automatically disconnects your device from the internet if the VPN connection drops, ensuring that your data is never exposed. However, PureVPN's performance can be inconsistent and it lacks some of the advanced features found in the top tier VPNs. The user interface can also be less intuitive compared to some of the other VPNs higher up on the tier list, making it a bit harder for beginners to navigate the app. User interface and ease of use. PureVPN is available on all the major platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, and Linux. The apps are designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate so you can connect to your server quickly. PureVPN also provides detailed setup guides and tutorials on their website, ensuring that you can get started without much hassle. The PureVPN app includes a feature called split tunneling, which lets you choose which apps use the VPN and which connect directly to the internet. This provides flexibility and optimizes your internet speed for specific activities. It's particularly useful for users who want to access local content while still protecting their online activities. Pricing and special offer. So PureVPN has several different plans to choose from, but if you want to try it for 7 days and get full access to the app for only 99 cents, then you can go ahead and click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. From here, you can go ahead and click on Get PureVPN, and as you can see, for just 99 cents, you get a full access 7-day trial. After that, all plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to really try the service risk-free. Again, for the best value, be sure to check out the link down in the description to get that 7-day trial for only 99 cents. Finally, let's talk about the D tier, which includes the lower-tiered free VPNs. While free VPNs can be useful, they come with significant limitations that prevent them from being reliable options for most users. First up, we have Atlas VPN. So Atlas VPN offers pretty good browsing speed thanks to the WireGuard protocol and has no speed limits on the free version. However, it only provides 5 gigabytes of data per month and has a limited number of servers in just 3 locations: the US, Singapore, and the Netherlands. Plus, it can't access geo-restricted streaming platforms. Next, we have Proton VPN. So Proton VPN stands out for its unlimited data offering, ensuring 24/7 protection. However, it limits users to 1 device connection, excludes torrenting, and offers slower speeds compared to other VPNs. Despite being based in Switzerland and having strong privacy policies, its free plan's limitations can be very frustrating. Next, we have Ivacy VPN in the D tier. So Ivacy VPN provides unlimited data and is peer-to-peer friendly, making it a good choice for torrenting and downloading. Unfortunately, its speeds lag behind the competition, and it has a limited server network mainly in the Netherlands. This limitation is especially problematic for iOS and Mac users. Next, in the D tier, we have Windscribe. So Windscribe offers a robust set of features, including a secure firewall and a minimal logging policy. Its free plan starts with 2 gigabytes of data per month, which can be expanded to 10 gigabytes with email registration. However, its app interface could be more user-friendly, and its speeds are not as fast as paid options. And lastly, in the D tier, we have Hide.me VPN. Hide.me VPN provides 10 gigabytes of data per month and servers in 8 countries. While it has strong encryption and user-friendly browser extensions, its speeds are average at best. It's a decent option for casual browsing, but lacks the performance needed for more demanding activities. So there you have it, our tier list ranking every VPN that we've covered today. In the S tier, we have ExpressVPN and NordVPN, both offering exceptional performance, features, and security. In the A tier, Surfshark stands out with great value and excellent features. In the B tier, we have UltraVPN, and this provides good performance but falls short in a few areas. In the C tier, PureVPN offers a robust set of features but has some noticeable drawbacks. And in the D tier, the free VPNs like Atlas, Proton, Ivacy, Windscribe, and Hide.me have significant limitations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from us. And let us know in the comments which VPN you prefer, or if there are any other VPNs that you'd like us to review in the future. And if you wanted to get the best price possible on things like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, Surfshark, UltraVPN, and PureVPN, be sure to check out those links down in the description. Now, these are affiliate links, and they do help support the channel if you use them at no extra cost to you. In fact, you're going to be saving money by using those links, so it's a win-win. And if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.